Hello everyone, I'm back here with my air cannon and I'm glad to show you this rocket that I've made with my 3D printer. It has a little hole in there so that I can fill it up with some heavy material like sand or water, and I can insert a bolt there, screw it in, so it's 12 millimeter. That doesn't fit right. The bolt is too long also.
And it must be destroyed also.
Let's see if this fits into the barrel, because with the 3D printer it's really difficult to adapt the diameter precisely. Oh, yeah. So that fits, but there's a gap and it doesn't seals up. So okay. So let's try to take this closet paper and wrap it around. Okay, so that's 2 layers of closet paper. And that fits nice and tight. Okay, so let's take this bolt to get it out. Okay, so now I will have to tap this thread so that the bolt will fit right there. Alright, so I've got everything here. My compressor filled up, and I've got water, sand to fill my 2 rockets. So I've got one with a iron bolt and one with a plastic bolt. And yes, this one is longer than this one. These pieces at the tail are longer on this one. I will first try to shoot without the closet paper and with an unfilled rocket to see how fast it can go if it's lightweight.
Lightweight! Lightweight, baby!
Alright, so loading it up. So I will shoot in direction of this tree from here. Well, that was quite terrible. So we'll fill that up. Yeah, we will fill this up with sand. And water. And this one with the boat. Well, the bigger one is really heavier than the smaller one. So I'll wrap this toilet paper around the smaller one. Yoop. Okay, I'll do it old-fashioned. So again, this tree. So this one flew right straight as I wanted. So weight is a good thing. Now the heavier one with the bolt. So one last shot with only this amount of pressure and no seal with a light one. I will have to make longer tails so that these projectiles fly straight. I mean, I saw that the projectiles wobbled around when flying, and if they do this, they won't hit the ground on their nose. And my idea is to make, in a later video, exploding rockets. And for that I need that they hit the ground on their nose, so that the primer will be ignited. This will be the goal for my next video on this air cannon. And until then, I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Oh well, look at this one, how it landed.